Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So by the thumbnail you could see that we got a install. So my front lip just came in. So this video is all about we're gonna install a front lip and a front splitter on the G. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe before you go any further. And yeah, the G is gonna be looking sick. And right there I'm gonna wrap that part in carbon fiber in the middle part right here. Same thing goes for the front lip. I'm gonna wrap piece of it blue and the middle part carbon fiber. So yeah guys, stay tuned and make sure you guys go follow the IG over here, Keens Media G37, and this is my YouTube. And if you haven't seen the video of the A-pillars, go and watch it. But first we're gonna test with the lip. We're gonna open it and see what's inside. So okay guys, so we're gonna do we're gonna take the front lip out. I got a blade right here, cut it out. And this blade is from fucking rat. So we're gonna take the front lip out. Okay guys, so there's it, but it's kind of bent up right now, so I'm gonna have to straighten it out first. But yeah guys, front lip is here, and they gave you a two-sided tape. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on the car and see how it's look and show you guys. Okay guys, so that's how it looks right now. Damn, this shit look good already. But I got the front splitter to go under it, and like for right here, I'm gonna wrap this part, I'm gonna wrap that part, leave the middle piece in black in carbon fiber, and I'm gonna wrap that part. But so far, shit looking good so far. Yeah guys, let me know what you think. And remember I say the front splitter is gonna go under it. But sheesh, shit looking good, man. Coming along well. And for the fitment is good. Got the side splitters, got the arts on car, got the taillight done. Next I'm gonna do tints. But yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Carbon on the roof, carbon right there, IG right there. Got the A-pillars, new headlights.